We just got an amazing all of fresh ingredients from antioxidant rich oils to clays, soothing petals, and powerful botanical extract. Welcome to another session here. I am Oluwaseun, cosmetics formulating expert and director of Ace Natural Beauty School. So we have here red raspberry carrier oil. It is a natural gentle moisturizer that protects all skin types. It is lightweight yet incredibly rich in vitamin E, phytosterols, and essential fatty acids. It is perfect in facial oils, anti-aging serums, and barrier repair blends because it helps to protect the skin from oxidative stress and also reduce inflammations. So here we have matcha green tea powder. So matcha isn't just for lattes, okay? It is a powerhouse in skincare. It is rich in polyphenols. Matcha helps to fight free radicals and soothe redness. It is often used in masks, scrubs, and even gentle cleansers. It gives this detoxifying antioxidant boost. Plus, the vibrant green adds a beautiful natural color to your formulations. Next here is Batana oil from Central America. Batana oil is deeply nourishing, often called the miracle oil by traditional communities. It's excellent for repairing damaged hair, restoring shine, and nourishing the scalp. And then on the skin, it provides deep emollients, making it ideal for dry, mature, or compromised skin. It has this rich, earthy scent, but I will recommend balancing it with lighter oils when formulating with it. Okay. Here we have shea nut carrier oil. So unlike solid shea butter, shea nut oil is liquid, lighter, but still packed with all that nourishing goodness. It's high in oleic acid and stearic acids, making it perfect for healing balms, body oils, and soothing serums. It's a wonderful ingredient when you want that richness of shea without the heaviness that comes with the butter texture. This is dead sea salt. It is loaded with magnesium, calcium, and potassium. It's excellent for exfoliation, mineral soaks, and therapeutic scrubs. We love it in bath products for that soothing effect on the muzzle, and its softening property for the skin as well. Now, on to the next ingredient in our collection. This is lemon peel clay powder, and it's like a two-in-one superstar for me. It has this detoxifying action of clay, then coupled with the brightening property of lemon peel. It is fantastic in masks, scrubs, formulations for oily or congested skin. Beyond cleansing, it helps clarify and refresh, making it ideal for glow-boosting treatments. Next here is etoxy diglycol. It's a safe, widely used solvent that helps dissolve tricky ingredients like salicylic acid. It enhances penetration, making actives more effective. We have this here, a fantastic carrier oil, hazelnut carrier oil, a light, fast-absorbing oil that is rich in oleic acid and tannins. Hazelnut oil has a slight astringent quality, making it excellent for oily or acne-prone skin. It helps tighten pores and balances sebum without clogging the pores. It is perfect for your lightweight serums that is targeted for oily acne-prone skin. So what do we have here? We have peach kernel carrier oil, gentle, soothing, and softening. Peach kernel oil is great for sensitive and mature skin. It's also high in oleic acid and vitamin E, leaving the skin smooth without heaviness. Wonderful in your facial oil and massage blends. This is in a bottle. This is red raspberry essential oil. This is different from the carrier oil. It's distilled and highly aromatic. Raspberry essential oil has a fruity, uplifting scent and carries antioxidant benefits. Because it's potent, you have to use sparingly, ideally in blends or perfumed skincare products. Here we have walnut carrier oil. It is nourishing, a deep emollient, ideal for dry, mature skin. It also works well in hair care, helping condition the scalp and also restore shine. Best used in small percentage in blends, okay? Some of these ingredients, in fact, majority of them are included in the formulations in our beginner skincare course. So you can join the waitlist via the link on the video or in the caption. So there you have it, our new ingredient haul. Each one bursting with potential for innovative, result-driven formulations. Which one of these ingredients are you most excited to experiment with? Drop it in the comments and I'll share formulation ideas to help you get started. And remember, as formulators, every ingredient is not just a raw material, it's a story, a solution, a chance to create something that is extraordinary. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.